Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a unfortunately camera has stopped or unfortunately camera has stopped in Android mobile phone. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone. After that go to your settings of your mobile phone. After that scroll down and find out apps. After that scroll down and find out a camera. Now here is a after opening that go to your storage section. After doing this step, first of all clear the caches, and after that clear the data and click OK button. After that go back and open your camera. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.